Hello everyone, welcome to the CraftHack online hackathon. I am Karolina Tóth, host of the Level Up Engineering podcast, and I will be your host today. Before we start, please join me in welcoming Károly Varga, CEO of CraftHub.
Hey guys, I am very happy to be here again. As you know, 3 months before we had a great event, the so-called Hack and Heal Industrial Healthcare Hackathon, where we were thinking about to create something innovative and new thing in this environment. And after that, we came back to the office and were thinking about a new and another great hackathon right before the summer. And as you know, CraftHub is a multifaceted IT event management company which has conferences, workshops and hackathons as well. And our biggest event is the so-called Craft Conference, which is the software development conference in this Central Eastern European region. And we were thinking, why we don't organize a hackathon, the so-called CraftHack, which is focusing on 3 different tracks, have 5 different challenges, and more than 200 participants. And that's why we just started to organize it, and now we are here today to start and kick off this competition. So I wish you good luck for this whole weekend, and let's hack together.
Thank you. And with that said, please stay with us throughout this opening event, because we will share with you some very important information for the rest of the upcoming 3 days. So let's talk about the challenge providing partners first. We have Alice, who is the track partner who runs the data/AI track. Alice is a Google Cloud Premier partner founded by engineers for engineers. And they have one vision in mind: to help companies across industries prepare for a new digital age. Born in the cloud, Alice helps companies solve business challenges by applying the latest big data, machine learning, and infrastructure technologies on the Google Cloud platform, using an agile and holistic approach. With that said, Alice has offices in Budapest, Singapore, Munich, and also works with remote colleagues across Europe and Asia. Our next sponsor, the main sponsor for the UI track, is EPAM. At EPAM, they help customers around the world become competitive and stay competitive. They combine best-in-class software engineering with digital strategy and experience design, business consulting, and technology innovation services. They are constantly looking for talented technology professionals like you to join them. WorldQuant, as a track partner for the software development track, is a quantitative data and technically driven quantitative asset management firm. Over 80% of their employees code on a daily basis. They use computer science, math, and other techniques to seek to produce high-quality predictive signals, alphas, focused on exploiting market inefficiencies. Technologists at WorldQuant research, design, code, test, and deploy projects while working collaboratively with researchers and portfolio managers. And last but not least, we have Siemens, who provides a challenge in the software development track. As a leader in transport solutions for more than 160 years, Siemens Mobility is constantly innovating its portfolio in its core areas of rolling stock, rail automation, and electrification, as well as related services and research and development. With digitalization, Siemens Mobility is enabling mobility operators worldwide to make infrastructure intelligent, increase value sustainably over the entire life cycle, and enhance passenger experience and guarantee availability. We have incubation partners as well: CEU Innovations Lab, Hungarian Business Angel, Impact Hub, MKB FinTech Lab, OTP Lab, and Oxo Technologies Holdings. We thank them also for their participation. And last but not least, we have Hub Budapest, who offer to provide office places for some teams during the hackathon. And there are still some places in Hub Budapest available, so please go ahead and take advantage of the free coffee and tea there. And what is a hackathon? Let's talk about this for a second. And what is the main purpose of CraftHack? A hackathon is a design sprint-like event, often in which computer programmers and others in software development, including graphic designers and interface designers and project managers and domain experts, come together to collaborate intensively on software projects. The goal of a hackathon is to create functioning software or hardware by the end of an event. And Craft Hub aims to provide industry-wide hackathons, like Károly said before. And in this case, we bring together topics from events, and Craft Conference is a conference that's coming up pretty soon. So our partners helped prepare challenges in the themes of software development, UI, data, AI, and machine learning. And let's talk about you now. Let's see some numbers. Yes, we have 187 competitors. They have applied for the event, and hopefully they are watching us right now. Our competitors come from 29 countries across the globe, and most of you are studying computer science, but we also have some aerospace engineering, physics, and even architecture students with us. And let's talk about the challenges. Yes, our 4 amazing partners came up with the final challenges for this event. You could already check them on the website, but let's see a short recap of each of the challenges. Alice, in the data track, said you should create a solution that stores diverse internal data in a graph database and makes it easily accessible through a natural language interface. Alice, in the machine learning challenge, asked you to find the best way to predict and exploit the next big craze, while convincing the users and guiding them through the process. EPAM, for the UI challenge, said you should recreate the best of office life in an era of hybrid workspaces, while also functioning on the user interface and engaging remote workers as well. WorldQuant, for the software development challenge, asked you to develop a platform that turns data into a marketable, fun product that lures users in while generating revenue. And last but not least, Siemens, for the software development challenge, asked you to come up with new ideas and applications which might help the railway transportation with using the data provided by the trains. That should be exciting. And the evaluation process here is how this will go. The challenge owner will provide a 3 to 4 member jury of experts, and they will evaluate your projects based on the YouTube videos and your submissions. They will evaluate the teams according to some aspects like the prototype, feasibility, impact over volume, innovativeness, and the quality of the presentation, of course. While the judges are scoring your submissions, all the projects will be available to you as well. So you can evaluate your competitors through the Junction app. And this is how we will get 5 challenge and 3 track winners. And for the main prize, each challenge and each track winner will do a live pitch here on Sunday. These pitches will be evaluated by the teams and the partners, and the winner will be the team who gets the most votes from them cumulatively. In the meantime, an audience award will also be given through our Facebook event poll, and any of the projects will be eligible to win those 500 euros for the audience award. So even if you didn't get a track or challenge winnership, you might be eligible to win over the hearts of our audience. You can find the poll in the official hackathon event when it goes live. And the prizes: each challenge winner will win 500 euros from the partner who provided the challenge that they won. The track winners will claim 1,500 euros, while the main prize is 2,500 euros, which goes to the best idea of the hackathon. This means that there is an opportunity for a skillful team to win all prizes and take home 5,000 euros. That's a big chunk of money. And now let's talk about the agenda for the upcoming few days. We will start with an orientation workshop, so please stay with us today. And our partner challenge sessions will have about 15 minutes for each partner to introduce their challenge in depth. And we will have a workshop from World Quant and some mentoring sessions in the afternoon. And you should submit your first submissions by 11:59 p.m. today. On Saturday, you will be working a lot and you will have mentoring sessions and the workshop in the morning. And your second draft submission deadline is 8 p.m. on Saturday, so make sure that you achieve that. And then on Sunday, your final submission deadline through the Junction app will be 10 in the morning. Don't miss it. The evaluation process will be midday, and then we will be back and do some announcements of the winners, and then we will do some live pitches with the winners. And at the closing ceremony, we will announce the final winner and also the audience award. And now let's talk about the platforms that we will use. So first of all, there is Slack. Slack will be the main source of information, so if you haven't, you should go ahead and log on. This is the platform where organizers will announce the most important things that are going on, that you need to know, like the rules, the deadlines, the dates, the judges, and also the winners. The communication has already started, so please don't forget to join, and you can register and log in as well. You can also find the tutorial on how to use Slack in the info package document that you received. If you have any questions related to the workspace or the hackathon, you can use the hashtag #AskAnything channel, and our organizers will get back to you as soon as possible. They are very good with that, so just ask anything. The Junction app is a platform where, besides registering for the hackathon, you will be able to do the following things: create or join a team, submit your first and second draft and your final work, and you will find the program called Gavel here for the track winner and the final winner voting. So the Junction app is very crucial here. During the evaluation process, please keep your source code public so the jury members can check it out. Hopin is where we are right now, so I am so glad that you found Hopin. We will use this for the closing ceremony as well, and we will use it for workshops and other programs during the event. In the event's description, you can find the functions of Hopin, but you can use it for networking and you can use it for sessions, so it's a really fun tool. And last but not least, we have Booked for Us. We will be using Booked for Us for the mentor booking process. And here you can easily book a slot with your chosen mentor. During the booking process, after you filled in your personal information, there will be an extra field where you should paste the meeting link. The meeting link comes from whatever platform you wish to use for talking with your mentors. So you can pick Google Meets or Zoom. The thing is that you should paste your meeting link here, and if the booking was successful, you will receive an email about it, so you should be all set with the booking details. And now let's talk about the mentors. Last but not least, for the challenges, there will be dedicated jury members from our partners, and they will be evaluating the projects that you submit. They are experts and mentors from the fields and the topics of the challenges, so you will be able to learn a lot from them. As for the mentors, we already shared with you the mentor directory, where you can see all the experts who will participate in the event and who will share their expertise. And you can book a slot with any of the mentors through the Booked for Us platform, and you can find them all in the mentor directory. And I think this is what we wanted to share with you this morning. And this is the end of our opening ceremony. Please do not go anywhere, or only take a small break, but the orientation workshop will be starting in a little bit. And the partners will be more in depth talk about their challenges, so please stay with us. And I will see you again on Sunday. I wish you good luck and have a great hackathon.